Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PDF in a reader that supports text search. If the document is scanned, run OCR now so text becomes searchable. Once done, press Ctrl+F or CMD+F to open the Find box and type the exact word you need. Make sure to match case or enable case-insensitive search depending on your goal. This first step gets you directly into results, so you can locate instances quickly without scrolling through every page manually. Next, refine the search to avoid noise. Choose whole word match to avoid partial hits or enable case sensitivity when proper nouns matter. If your reader supports rejects, craft a pattern to catch variants, otherwise use exact phrases. You can also scope the search to current page, document, bookmarks, comments, or attachments so results stay relevant. Once you narrow criteria, step through findings one by one and inspect surrounding text to confirm each hit truly matches your intent. Finally, gather your findings. Copy highlighted snippets, export marked pages, or create a search summary for later review. If the search missed occurrences, rerun OCR with higher accuracy or different language settings, and then repeat the search. If words appear garbled, check font embedding and text encoding, convert PDF to a different format, or reopen in another reader. One troubleshooting tip: when text is not selectable, OCR is the usual fix. Rerun it before blaming search features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.